Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you don't know me, my name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I am here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So today we're doing a very special, fun organizing project. We are going to organize my bookshelf. Now it's kind of organized, as you can see behind me, but we're not going to just do any organizing project in there. Oh no, we need to make room for a very special item. In this amazing bookshelf, I need to make room for this. I can't even believe this is in my hands right now. It doesn't even feel real. So let's make some space for it in my bookshelf. If you must know, this bookshelf is from IKEA. I do believe it is the Billy bookcase with glass doors. I put some different handles on it and I cannot get the doors level. I'm so sorry, that drives me crazy too. But inside it has all of my sheet music, all of my books, all my office supplies, and all of the decorations that make me feel good. So today I'd like to neaten it up just a little bit. I mean, it's very neat, but we can neaten it up even more and make room for my Creator Award. Okay, to make sure I can fit it in the right place, I've gone to this website called like youtubefandom.com or whatever, and it says the award is 12 inches by 10 inches by half an inch. Oh my gosh, I'm just noticing Pikachu has fallen down. Okay, I think I will put the award here because this is sort of my proud shelf. The things that I'm proud of kind of go here and make me feel like good if I'm having a bad day. You all know what I mean. If you've had a really bad day, you just want to like look at stuff and be like, okay, I actually am not a failure. So that's where I'm gonna put it, I think. Let me make sure I have enough space. So it's 12 inches tall and 10 inches wide. It might fit if it's leaning. I think it'll fit if it's leaning. Let me get something that's 12 inches and we'll see. Okay, this Dominic Argento Songs About Spring is actually 12 by 10, I think. Oh, it's fine. As long as it leans, it's totally fine. Okay, I think we'll do that. One of my friends over in the Animal Crossing creator space sent me a little thank you gift for participating in a competition, and it's this adorable, it came in this adorable little Dodo Airlines box. Isn't that cute? When it has Lost, that was the game I participated in, like embossed on the box. Isn't this adorable? So this is so beautiful, custom made. I couldn't get rid of it. So what I'm using it for is to store notes that I receive that mean a lot to me, and they're in this little precious box. So this definitely is going to keep its space in my bookcase. I'm going to clean out this bin. This is the bin that I had for, it's like full of my singing stuff, and it's got things like the singing mask that we all had to wear in 2020, 2021, and 2022, and part of 2023. I do not wish to use these again. It was extremely unpleasant. I'm gonna maybe find another home for these, wishful thinking, and then I will maybe thin out some of this stuff in here, but it's mostly, but the other stuff is still good, like it's a nebulizer and some other like singing stuff that is important to my singing world. So let me just mess with this for a little bit. All right, we've thinned it out quite a bit. We just have my nebulizer. If you don't know what this is a little device, little machine that provides salted, well, it's got saline solution vapor for your throat and makes you feel better when singing. And I have a little like sanitized vapor fills here, and then just like the plug for it, my name tag for choir, my swimming nose cover for don't ask. It is a singing thing. I use it sometimes as a tool. Don't ask. And then just a couple of like glasses holders. They really don't have any place else to live, so I put them with this stuff, and it seems to get along well. So this is going to make me feel really good about the start of the singing season in about a few weeks. I'm very nervous. I just want to make sure that this place is only for magazines that I want to keep, and it looks like there's some other stuff in there too, but this is just magazines I've contributed to, so I'm gonna just take a quick look through those. I know I'm gonna find something shady in here because that's just so me to like just throw something in here that I don't want to deal with or something. Have I really contributed to all? I don't think I have. I don't think I have. I'm gonna have to cull some of these. Oh, but I like this one so much. Oh, I was in it. Okay, I was not in this one. This needs to go with my singing stuff. This is the order of services I'm supposed to do when I practice and I warm up. My teacher wrote these out for me, and I don't know what they're doing in there. Actually, they should just live on my bulletin board. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Okay, so these cards are bigger than that box. I need to figure something out. What I'd really like is if they sat up like this. I don't like when they lean because then they kind of get misshapen, so I need to put something behind here. Okay, I ordered a bunch of chocolates from Choc Zero, and they sent me this little like container. I think this might work because it's empty. There's no chocolates in it. You know, sometimes organizing is a little bit about creating an illusion. And this, you know what? This is not half bad. I like it. That looks good to me. Yeah! And I found my friend's book in there. I don't know what that's doing here. Probably because it doesn't have the title on the spine here. But I'm gonna put this with my books because my friend is a very good poet. There it is. Simple as a Sonnet by Lisa DeSiro. All right, I'm putting these in the recycling and just filing some of these. So this is good now. I'm just gonna clean up my little Nintendo area. Not that it's not neat already, but this is me like playing The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom like every day for a month. There's a little ball bearing rolling around. I would carry this tray of amiibos to the living room to use them. Yeah, it was a time. And you know what? I want to give everything a little dust. Swiffer time, Swiffer time, Swiffer time. Old Nintendo Entertainment System from the 80s. That is a relic. Do I put the tray back on to it? Maybe I do. I only have Zelda amiibos. I need to maybe explore getting like a Pikmin amiibo or something. I do have a little Pikmin figurine. It's not a Pikmin, it's like a little blowhog, but it's cute. Maybe I'll put him on the outside. There he goes. And a Pikachu, I'll just put him right here. That's cute. That's cute. All right, let me fix this because this is driving me crazy. This box has all my Game Boy Advance stuff in it. Oh, this is an AC adapter for my GameCube. I just need it to shut all the way or I'm not gonna be really happy. I don't know why I didn't do this separation before because I haven't labeled these boxes, so it's a little bit stupid, but I think things will be a little bit more organized in here. I have no idea why I wasn't doing this in the first place, but this box is for everything for my Game Boy Advance / Nintendo DS Lite because it also plays Game Boy Advance games in the front. So that is for if I want to play Game Boy Advance things. And this box is all 3DS. So I have the 3DS charger, everything I need in here for a 3DS. I have yes, I do have a collection of 3DSs. Don't at me. I love this system. I still play it. So you'll love to see it. 3DS, I mean, rip 3DS because it was a great game system, but you know what? It's still alive in this box. And if you're wondering, I have another 3DS that's beside my bed. That's the one I play every night. Okay, I think there's enough room. Is there enough room for the award to go? We need 10 inches in width. So she's gonna be a little squished. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe like this on the bottom. These are only like 6 inches, I think. Here we go. And I'll put this down here. This, I think, is the solution. Let me move the mugs over. That way we have plenty of space for my award to go. Let's open it. Okay, here's the moment. I'm very excited. Let's open the box. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little business card from the award company and a letter from YouTube. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with this Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next. And we're here to support you along the way, and who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write you and ask you to remember your 100th subscriber. It's yours sincerely, the CEO of YouTube. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yay! Here it is. Isn't it shiny? It's really shiny. It's got like velvet on the back, but it's very shiny. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Is this like, oh, I said I didn't want to get my fingerprints all over, and I just went to touch it. So let's go ahead and stick it here. Yay! I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's come here and said yes to my channel and my content. I always wanted to be somebody who performed no matter what I was doing. When I was a little kid, I was very into like everything, the dance, the acting, the singing, the art. I had my hand in every little artistic, creative cookie jar I could find, and I never really had enough confidence in myself to pursue it in any kind of real way, except I guess I went to conservatory and did all that, but even after that, I got a master's in music and I just quit. And later in my life, I started to realize that if I wanted to do it, I should just give it a try, and the same thing happened with YouTube. I remember watching YouTube in 2013 and 2012 and saying, that's so cool, I wish I could do that. And so I did it. I created my first YouTube video in, I think, 2014 or 2013, I don't remember, and it was really bad. It was really bad, and a lot of my videos are still really bad, but some of them are okay, and that's great that you thought they were okay too. So I want to encourage you, if you are not confident, if you're older, if you think you have no talent, if you don't think you know what you're talking about, or you think no one will listen to you, go ahead and post a video anyway. The worst thing they can do is leave a mean comment in the comment section, and that's, you can survive that, I promise. I've survived it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.